What up, people? It's your boy Manny Salgado. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're in Beloit. We're at Taqueria Azteca over on the west side, east side, I don't know. We're in Beloit, man. Taqueria Azteca, great Mexican food. The place is small. The place smells amazing. The food is great. We already ordered. Now I know it doesn't look like much. That's a torta, right? Yeah. Torta. But Teresa over here, comete algo, Teresa. What did you get? What did you get? Let me see what you got.
Bistec a la Mexicana.
Bistec a la Mexicana. I got my wifey over here learning Spanish. Jeremy, show us what you got, bro. Let me see. This is ojo de gordita de nopales. Cactus gordita. Cactus gordita. Now, they messed up, they threw cheese on there, but otherwise, that is a very authentic gordita, because if you've never had cactus, it's cool. Well, my guy Jeremy does. He's cactus on his pepperoni pizza, weirdo. So, if you've never been up here, Taqueria Azteca, Beloit, check it out. I'm gonna eat. We're still waiting on one more person's dish. Ooh, right here. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. So in Mexico, they top the flautas with this stuff. The taquitos, right? The roasted corn, the roasted potatoes, the roasted carrots, a little bit of cabbage, some cheese. Authentic, man. It's fire. Get up here. Taqueria Azteca. If you just want to get out of Rockford and want to try something different, you want to taste something, in Rockford, we get bored with the same old stuff. So I come up here, I go to Chicago, I go to whatever. It's worth the drive. It took us how long to get here, guys? 30 minutes? Not even? 30 minutes? Let me show you the place. Really small little place. They have 5 booths. They have 6 tables. Whoa, that was really zooming in on my. They have 5 booths, 6 tables. But they rotate it, man, because it's fast service. Ooh, what is that? Can I see it? Wait, give it here. I'm gonna put you on video, okay? My man Jeremy also got real quesabirrias. There's only 4 or 5 places in Rockford that are doing the real quesabirrias. It's about time I say it. Actually, 5 or 6 places that are doing real quesabirrias. And look, you see that? That is consomme. That is the juice that you're supposed to dip them in. My mouth is watering because they make their consomme the right way. There's only about 4 places in Rockford that are doing the consomme the right way. But this is one of them, and this is one of the reasons we came up here today, because it's real, it's authentic, it's a little Americanized, but fuck, you can't eat Mexican food without lettuce and tomatoes on it up here in the north. So come enjoy it, come try it. Stay tuned. We're gonna try some stuff, maybe order a little bit more, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, let's do this, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get a close up of it. Bam. What's the face looking like? Let's see. Let's zoom in. Do we have?
That helps.
Do we have the nod of approval?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Good stuff?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah. I'm just watching you eat. Don't worry. Thousands of people are going to see this. Look at this torta, you guys. A torta. Ooh, nice and crispy. Ooh. Hear that crunch? Crunch. Hear that crunch? Crunch. Look at that steak. That steak, none of this ground beef. Making my mouth water. Let's get it. All right, you guys. We are finishing up at Taqueria Azteca. Look at this mess. We put a hurt into it. Really quick, I know they're not on screen, but if you guys can answer along with us, is it a yay or nay?
Yay.
Yay, baby. This is their first time here. I haven't been here in a while. Ruben's in Mexico. That's the owner. But hopefully Ruben sees us when he gets back. We brought you guys some Rockfordians up here to Beloit to try the food. Teresa's first time having that dish. How was the dish, Teresa?
It was amazing.
Was it delicious?
It was delicious.
It was
Everything
delicious. It was delicious. If you're ever up here in Beloit, Taqueria Azteca, one of my favorite Mexican restaurants in the Beloit area. Check it out. I won't even mention the other places because this place, if you want like not just tacos and you want to try something different, come try it, Taqueria Azteca. They close at 10 p.m. on Fridays though. I'm just telling you right now. It's not like pre-COVID hours. So now they close at 10. Their last table's at 9:30. But the place was packed and they turned tables over fast, man. I had the torta. The flautas, how were the flautas?
Very good.
Very good. The quesabirria? Fire, right? You said something earlier. What did you say? Top 2 best?
Yeah, my second favorite one, quesabirria I've had.
Second favorite quesabirria he's ever had. Bet you the consomme was a big part of that.
Yeah.
Telling you, they have some good consomme. Anyway, I'll leave you guys with that. You guys, if you like the content I'm making, if you like what I'm doing out here in the 815 and across the world, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll leave you guys with that. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease. I think she licked that thing clean.